Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. Welcome to my live stream, y'all. Okay. Here on Instagram. Also, eventually on YouTube. Okay. Mm-hmm. So, tonight is daylight saving time. Okay. So, make sure y'all put y'all clocks back 1 hour. Set it back 1 hour. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's all y'all do. Set your clocks back 1 hour. Okay. Yep. That's how we do it on the block. You know. That's how anybody do it when they kick it back on the block. Well, I'm not mystical. Mystical say that. That's how we do it. We kick it back on my block. You know. Yes, indeed. If y'all know who mystical is, how many of y'all remember that? Okay, back in the days in 1995. Mm-hmm. All right. So anyway, it's about daylight saving time, not about mystical and all that. Okay. So I'm gonna say, y'all. Make sure y'all set y'all clocks back 1 hour. Okay. Uh, it's it's 4:23 right now. It'll be 4:23 tomorrow. Right now. Okay. Tomorrow right now. I guess. Well, that's a joke, I guess. But seriously. All right. So that's all I gotta say, y'all. Okay. All right. See y'all tomorrow. Okay. All right.